Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your earbuds Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At this device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the second line we have a button device type and you need to click on it. Now select headphone and we're gonna go back. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!